Care and maintenance. Cleaning the hook area. Clean the hook area frequently. Turn the power switch on. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Loosen the needle clamp screw with a screwdriver and remove the needle. Raise the presser foot lifter if it is in the down position. Turn the thumb screw counterclockwise to remove the foot holder and the thumb screw. Hook your fingers in the hollow on the left side of the extension table. Pull the cover toward you to open it. Insert the screwdriver to the needle plate release hole under the needle plate. Pull up the screwdriver. A message will appear warning that the needle plate is not secured. Remove the needle plate by lifting it to the right. When removing the needle plate, make sure the needle plate does not hit the free arm or other parts. Turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. Remove the bobbin. Remove the bobbin holder by pulling its front part upward. Clean inside the bobbin holder and the bobbin holder holes with a lint brush. Apply a few drops of the bobbin holder cleaner to a soft cloth. Wipe the bobbin holder both inside and outside with a soft cloth. Use a lint brush to clean the feed dogs. Auto thread cutter device. Around the bobbin thread remaining sensor. And hook race. Wipe the inside of the hook race with the cloth. To avoid injury, be careful when wiping the tip of the hook race. Align the triangular mark on the bobbin holder with the triangular mark on the stopper of the hook race. Turn the hand wheel slowly and check that the bobbin holder is inserted properly. Otherwise, it may cause a machine malfunction or damage to the bobbin holder. Insert the left edge of the straight stitch needle plate into the opening and attach the needle plate. Insert the plug into the power outlet. Turn the power switch on and make sure a warning message does not appear. Attach the needle plate again if the warning message is displayed. Attach the needle and presser foot. Insert the bobbin. Cleaning the machine. Wipe the machine body with a soft cloth. Never use benzene or other chemical solvents for cleaning the machine body.